My dear friends, this is the last one, I hope. Hello, nice to see you again. We are making lights and a special body. I made the front one successfully. This is the wiring. Now I have two things. The rear one and another one that is a surprise. Comment, like, subscribe, and come with me to the work. Jump into the work. And these are the rear lights. Buckets, LEDs, connectors, resistor only on one. And this is the cable. Now a little test to see if I made everything right. Lost the battery. Ah no, not the 3 volt, but the 7. The circuit is ready to work with 7 volts. So red with red, black with black. Ah wow, I connected a red LED. Nice, but not good. It has to be white, because here I'm scraping in this position here. We have the stickers that is very wow. I made a little, I like the red one. I like it very much, but it's not so shining. Need more power. I have to change this. Wow. The test. Change the LED, the red one. Boom. Okay. Everything is okay. These are ready to be glued to the car with my special mixture with this and this that works super perfectly. Look at this. Here, this black paste that takes pieces together with a lot of strength is fantastic. Wow, 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 wow. I have to finish to scrape here, then glue, then connect, then the bonus light. And here I have this mysterious light. Perhaps not so mysterious to you all, but I don't want to tell you what is this for until I can show something nice. Now I need just one light, and this happened also for the exhaust light simulating the flames. I don't know which kind of resistor put to have one LED with 7274 volts battery. So I used to put 2 LEDs, no matter the consumption is so little. Now I made the circuit and it's time to test if it works. Perfect. Now I have to manage to cover these, then connect these to the main wires. These are the real lights. They are in position and I'm waiting the glue to become dry. Then I have to close there, close here. I use transparent glue, not my black like here in front, because here the lights are very large, so I need that light gets a little bit out. Later I will paint in black, not to see the light inside the body. Right, cover this with thermo shrinking in the best way I can. This, and soon you will discover what is it for. And now I show you what for the piece I've just made. Here it is. It's a holder for the mysterious light, and this was a joke, obviously. It's not so mysterious. I think that the smartest of you immediately understood what I was doing. This is the co-driver lamp, and I find it fantastic inside the car, because if you go and see to the real rally cars at night, you see that there's a light inside, there's something inside. And it helps also to show all the great work I made for the interiors. And this is one. Second thing I made, while you was distracted by I don't know what, I made the exhaust. And it's very not so much, because these straps I don't like them very much. But the position is nice. This is an aluminum tube mounted on a spring. The spring is covered with the thermo shrinking. And then here, these columns I made the shape of the tube so it stays down, 1 and 2, and the result is quite good. Not perfect, because this gets a little bit out from the body. The real one is inside, quite inside the body. But at the end of the day, it's, let me show you, we have not, at the end of the day, you see here is nice. Perhaps a little bit of color. These straps are terrible. I have to hide them somehow. And this is the light, and later I will show you how does it work, because it's also, this is quite nice. On this body the exhaust is direct, so you see the part that becomes burning yellow. Yes, not red. It's so hot that is yellow. And here you see it. But on this one that makes this curve that gets on the side, you see just a little bit of light. And this is what you will see inside my super fantastic exhaust. Well, what next? I think that I don't like them. They're terrible. Perhaps in black. I changed them in black. I've changed a little bit. Black straps, much more better. I added this part of thermal shrinking in order to put inside the LEDs very well. When I have to change the body, this stays under the other body, the old one, and this I can pull out and plug into the central exhaust. This, as usual, I painted in light gray the inside of the tube to add more realism. And now I think we can have a little test to see the effect of this light. And this is what we need. Before finishing today's video, I want to do two other works. Mount the rear wing and the front stickers. It could be nice. Then we will have a little test of the whole lights, and then goodbye up to the next, hoping to finish definitively the car. I have to mount the magnets. In front it's not a problem. Rear perhaps I have to lower a little bit the columns and finish applying all the stickers. I don't know, there's the work here under. This could be nice, but this in the next video. First of all, the front stickers. Done. Better. And now the wing. Fantastic. So I don't have to hold this while I'm mounting the other pieces. Perfect. This is good. Wow. Wonderful. With the light of the co-driver with the message, special message on, perhaps you can see. For today, my dear friends, I say you thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next, the adventure continues. Bye.